Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find BitLocker recovery key. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you will need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So if you're using Windows 11, you might someday get this window BitLocker recovery. So basically it means that all your files on your PC is now blocked, and you will need to enter the BitLocker recovery key in order to log into your PC. Otherwise, you won't be able to use your PC anymore, and you will need to erase all the files and start from zero. So basically, where we can find this BitLocker recovery key, it is very easy. You will need to log into your Microsoft account on any other device. So for example, grab your phone and log into your Microsoft account in which you were logged in on your PC, and just simply click on the sign in the Microsoft.com. So basically I will use my Microsoft account, and here I will just quickly sign in. So once you are signed into your Microsoft account, in the account info in the main page, you will see your device that is now locked. So if you don't see here your device, then this is the wrong Microsoft account and you need to try some else emails that are maybe connected to your Microsoft account. So from this page, you will need to click on the devices in the left side of the screen to see all the devices connected to this Microsoft account and find your PC that is now blocked. So as for me, this is this one. And from here, we just simply need to click on the info and support. So basically now we have the information about our device, and here is the button called BitLocker Data Protection. We need to click on the Manage Recovery Keys. And if we click on it, it will open the page, load the page where we see all the BitLocker recovery keys for this device. And here is our BitLocker recovery key. So you'll need to just type exactly this key to the blocked device, to this window here, and then press enter, and you will be fine. You will log into your PC and use it as you did. And basically that is it. That is how you can find BitLocker recovery key. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.